Ever wondered how your favorite celebrities achieve those chiseled cheekbones and sculpted faces? The secret lies in the art of contouring makeup. This transformative technique has a rich history in the realm of beauty. Get ready to unravel the magic of contouring and learn how you can do it too. Before we delve in, it's essential to understand some basic principles of contouring makeup. The magic of contouring lies in the play of light and shadow, creating depth and dimension in all the right places. The right tools are your wand in this transformative process, with brushes and sponges each playing their unique role. Choosing the correct contouring products is also key, as it ensures the makeup blends flawlessly with your skin tone. With these basic principles in mind, you are now ready to explore the process of contouring. Now, it's time to learn the actual process of contouring. Let's start with skin preparation. It's crucial for a seamless contour. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin to create a smooth canvas. Next, apply a primer to ensure your makeup has something to hold on to. Now, let's move on to the actual contouring. Apply a contouring product 2 shades darker than your skin tone to the hollows of your cheeks, sides of your nose, and your jawline. Blend it well to avoid any harsh lines. Then, apply a highlighting product to the high points of your face, the bridge of your nose, cheekbones, and your brow bones. Blend again until you have a natural finish. For advanced techniques, consider using a setting spray to lock in your makeup and give it longevity. Avoid common mistakes such as using too much product or not blending enough. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to contouring makeup. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We delved into contouring's basic principles, navigated a step-by-step guide, and unveiled common pitfalls. With this guide, you're now ready to master the art of contouring and achieve that sculpted, celebrity-like look.